Greetings and salutations, folks. BJ here, and I'm gonna bring you another sweet open house video for all the open houses that we've got going on this weekend. And you remember that time I brought you a video all about the number 2? Well, I'm gonna give you another set of number 2s, and that is the number 50. Let me use my trusty green pen here, and I'll show you what I mean. So, 50. 50 years of Coldwell Banker here in Tri-Cities, slanging them sweet, sweet houses, starting back in 1968. So, I'll show you how the math works. 1968 minus 2018 equals negative 50. So we're gonna start doing open houses and slanging them sweet houses here in Tri-Cities in 50 years. 2068, here we come, baby. Let's do it.
I like your pointing. Don't hit the board.
Now that is a good looking eraser.
I don't have that information.
Shut up, Siri. You don't know anything. A 50-cent piece is 2 quarters. You're welcome for that.
Thank you.
American Home Shield, so it's a shield for homes.
Makes sense.
Tri-Cities, that's where you live, or want to live, or are watching a video from. That's just, now I'm getting long. Now it's like, let's make a 10-minute video with most of it me just blah, 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 blah. Couple quarters, so that's 2, making 50, bam. Man, I bring stuff together, just like people buying houses.
That was good. Super clever.
Oh, that was good. That's gotta be an outtake in that one.